All right, what is up, guys? What's up? So we need to talk about two things before we even get into the analysis here. We need to talk about avoiding this issue. Where is it? We're going to talk about avoiding this issue. Ending up like Tommy here. This is what we don't want to happen. This is the most important thing to talk about first. And see, this is what happens when, you go long towards the top. I'm not saying we're at the top, but see, that's what happens. And then the fumble gets recovered by your team, hopefully. Sometimes it doesn't, but we gotta just keep that in mind. And then, you get all cool and you're trying to go out here and
what the fuck? They're with me. I don't care. Let me see ID. I don't know, man.
this is what happens sometimes too.
Because they're only letting girls in, and the ID you gave me sucks.
It's a club, man. We're gonna have a good time. Just trust me.
More like college days here. I'm in America where it's 21.
David's brother, the guy who used the Snickers wrapper as a condom in 7th grade.
No. David's brother who cooks meth in the porta potties behind Home Depot.
Bro, that's the same guy.
Oh fuck. Really?
Yeah.
He's been busy.
What's up, Planny?
It doesn't have
What's up,
anything to do with the
Nightshade?
ID, so let's...
I think that kind of docks his credibility points a little bit.
I think he's a nice guy.
I think he's a sketchball who gave me a horrible fake ID.
Okay, so what? The hair doesn't really look the same? Just say you were living in Iceland for the past 2 years.
That doesn't even make any sense.
So you're
look at
living in
these
Iceland
shirts
for
that
the
you
past
got us. You look like idiots.
They're clubbing shirts, and I have to return them, so don't scuff them up. Dude, I know like 5 club promoters, okay? So just trust me.
I feel like a Las Vegas cocaine dealer from the 80s right now.
Anthony's been the
those
biggest
Las
fan lately.
Vegas cocaine dealers fucked bitches, and I expect nothing less from you tonight.
Anthony, have you seen this video?
Get it up.
Yeah, if I can even get in with this stupid Idaho ID.
Who's gonna doubt a guy from Idaho?
Hold on. ID. What's your birthday?
September 22nd, 1984.
You have a good evening, Mr. Hernandez.
Gracias, amigo.
ID. What's your address? Abduction Lane Highway 375, Earth Milky Way Galaxy.
Wait. It says right here that you're 3'4".
The fuck? Yeah, I did a little bit of steroids for a while, some HGH.
For real?
Yeah, some fucked up shit, man.
You look like you on some fucked up shit.
Wait, what?
What's up with your hair? In this picture, you're bald.
Yeah, I spent a few years in Iceland.
How the fuck does that make you lose your hair?
What the fuck does that have to do with anything?
I was on the bobsled team. We needed aerodynamics, so we all had to shave our heads.
Oh shit! I thought you was gonna say you beat cancer and shit and acted like chemo and grew your little pretty little hair back. And I was gonna say, come on, let him in the line and shit, but you didn't.
Oh, that's a good idea.
What was that?
I had diarrhea, actually.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
You know what? I tell you what.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you one more chance to prove this motherfucker and this ID is you, or you'll get the fuck out my line.
So what, he just exploded?
Yeah, I guess I actually am alien. Hey, you guys have an extra Snickers wrapper? Is fun size okay?
Preferably.
Have any of you guys seen that video before? That's a classic. That's a classic one. It's kind of like buying Bitcoin at 42K right now. You know, it's risky, but sometimes you get into the you get into the club. You know, sometimes you got to take those risks. And you know, there's people who are really bullish on Twitter right now. You got a hidden bull div on your 30-minute right now. I hope I didn't bore out too many of you guys with Life According to Jimmy videos, but they're well crafted. They're well crafted. And Henry, you weren't not expecting that. You're probably not expecting the alien ID, I would guess. That was pretty freaking funny. What's up, Vito? Oh, welcome. Always nice to see new people, you know, coming in. I think you guys are getting in at a pretty good time, you know. Generally for the next 2 years, yeah, I think we're gonna be pretty good. We'll hopefully come back to, you know, some lower numbers to, you know, get some more buys in the 30s at least, I would hope, but maybe not. But yeah, I know it looks still pretty good. It's pretty strong on the 3-day. You know, I got some other trades in. This was just having a little bit of fun tonight. You know, I was looking at the 30-minute hidden bull div. Hopefully that'll confirm on the stream. And yeah, ultimately that's what kind of looking at. I mean, you know, you're going along at the yearly high. You know, you're long in the top, you know, to a certain extent here. So you gotta be careful, but could work out. Sometimes it works out long in the top. But yeah. Excuse me. Ultimately, bear div right there. Yep. All right, let's look at ETH Bitcoin. I was talking about it in the pre-recorded video earlier. And by the way, guys, if you want to trade, check out FAIRDESK. Link down below. Really good exchange. No KYC, no VPN. They are probably the best one that doesn't mess with you if you're in a restricted location. And so check it out. We give away the $100 giveaway every week with my link, only with my link down below. We announce the winners in the Discord. Discord has been lit lately. You know, Atlanta Core has been crushing it. CBZ has been crushing it. KMAX has been crushing it. I've been crushing it on a lot of shit. So check it out if you guys are interested. Let's see. ETH looks below. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of like using that fake ID, that alien fake ID, man. Very risky, but you know, probably should have said, you know, this is Wyckoff, and that didn't work out too well. Wyckoff, oh man, it is embarrassing, but you know, but yeah, he looks good in the 2-day. It looks pretty good. These macro signs are still pretty good. This shit could take, you know, months to years to play out. If we do look at the 4-year cycle, likely you would hit a high towards the end of 2025. My guess is it would be around December of 25, maybe even January 26th. It's just looking at what happened in the 2013 kind of cycle. The 2017 kind of cycle. And not last cycle. I think it'll be more like 2017 bull run. Yeah. Take the profits. Yeah, I probably should. It's not really much of a profit though. It's kind of just opened it, but yeah. I mean, we're at a pretty big level, especially for Bitcoin. ETH 2200. I mean, it's a decent level. 2400 would not surprise me here. You are getting money flow and crap coming out. There are some bearish signs starting to kind of show up, but your daily and your macro stuff still looks relatively good. But to come down and stop me out, you know, would absolutely not surprise me. What's up, Clay the Great? What's up, NBF? What's up, Hidden Bull Dividend? Yeah, so Hidden Bull Div, yeah. Coming up is the momentum waves coming down. It's Hidden Bull Div. Trigger Wave 2. What are the fees on FAIRDESK? They're not awful. But if you want to exchange with really good fees, MEXC is the best one. 0 limit fees in my link down below. The $500 Microsoft tutorial. Well, I have a course. I don't know about that one. But I do have a course that the discount ended as of right now. But I could give you guys a 20% off use the discount code for my course, Bear Market 20 for 20% off. The Black Friday sale ended, but I do have a really good course. It's a little bit cheaper than $500, but I don't know about the $500 MicroCipher tutorial. I gotta figure. I didn't hear about that. I'm sure it's probably good if it's an official thing, though. If it's actually made by CryptoFate, if it's actually, let's see, Market Cipher. Let me see if I can find what you're talking about here. You learn. Oh, there's tutorial videos here. I'm not sure what you're asking about, bro. I'm not sure what you're asking about. Yeah. Anyway, let's look back at what's going on. So, people are talking about CME gaps hitting this pretty big level right there, which would not surprise me. I'm looking for, maybe back up to 42 something, maybe almost to 43, but we'll see. Market Cipher, hold on a second. That's not even... The Academy, I believe, I do, if you want a one-on-one session, I do them. I believe we don't do the... Oh, hold on a second. What's going on here? Yeah, I believe we paused this. I believe we did pause this. Okay. Yeah, there's good people there too. Okay, we got... oh, no, those are testimonials. Don't know what they're doing with this at the moment, but I do have, we do have... all my guys do one-on-one session with people, including myself. So yeah. 2-hour money flow, good overall indicator for trend. It's starting to come down, but there's no bear div. It doesn't really bother me at the moment. Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshis. So yeah. I ordered some tacos to tell you Bitcoin's doing good. Oh my god, they're delaying my tacos, man. They're delaying delaying my tacos here. 11 p.m. My tacos aren't gonna get here until then. It's fucking bullshit, man. Tacos. Let's see. No, secret weapon. Yeah. Yeah. Trigger waves coming up. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, we're in an uptrend. You got some shit that may start to bring you down here, though. You got a trigger wave to the downside in the hourly. I can see some sideways boringness at the end of the day, but macro still looking pretty good, especially if we could confirm that 3-day green dot, 20 hours. That looks somewhat voluptuous. It is some pretty late tacos, man. I had some, stuff going on earlier. So yeah. Yeah, I was doing an ice bath earlier. The blood circulation's feeling good in my hands from that. No, I don't think they're gonna come that late. Long-term prediction for Bitcoin to eat top of the bull run. Yeah, that's a good question, Barb. I haven't looked at that. I haven't done any of those in a minute. Let's zoom. So the way we could do this is to kind of predict that shit is to zoom out a little bit and look at where we could potentially be towards the end of 2025. I would say there's your case for 100K at the end of 2025, right around 100K. Maybe kind of juicy with those logarithmic spiral lines. High end 150, higher end 2. Yeah, no, it's like I don't think it's going to 200, but I mean probably somewhere between this 80K area to probably in the high freaking end 150. I would guess somewhere around 100. Tom Crown posted something that kind of compares where we are right now to this, which kind of is a slight issue. If we were to do something like this, I'm just curious what the hell this would give us. There's your kind of, yeah, that's kind of your post-Fed pivot dump type crap coming back to the mid to high 20s in 2024, and then the next year being kind of bullish into 2025, which I mean, it's not impossible. Definitely not impossible. We'll see what happens. I mean, we got the Bitcoin ETF going up, coming up. If it's like the gold ETF, theoretically, it probably will do pretty well. I don't know what gold and silver have been weird. They were jumping. Now they're still looking good though. But even gold was like performing like a shit token or something. Yeah, gold came down quite a bit. Yeah, from 20. Yeah, more volatile than ETH. Okay, let's see. But yeah, let's see. Oh, well, let's do the prediction for ETH first. Yeah, let's do that as well. So we're going to look at a long-term prediction for ETH. If we're looking at later 25, we don't have too many spiral lines, but 7K, man. If I had to guess, 7K could be that spiral line, maybe. I mean, it's not impossible. If we do make a new all-time high, I think 7K. Where would that be from where we are right now? 200%. Pretty good. Pretty good. So yeah, I was just talking, the secondary scare like Cowan is calling for. I have started tinkering in alts, nothing too crazy, but I am DCAing into alts every week. I have converted a little bit of Bitcoin over into ETH and alts, just a little bit. I think in the grand scheme of things, alts are a pretty good buy right now. Gold all-time high was hype. I think it'll do well with everything else though, but I think we could get a secondary scare. Cowan's been talking about that for a while. Nobody freaking knows, man. We really don't know. I mean, if it's like every single time, everything that happened since '08, since the last recession, you would keep coming up, theoretically. If it's like, if we do go into a recession, then you're kind of going down. So when I look at technicals kind of point to potentially coming up higher. I mean, let's just compare the technicals to 2019 a little bit here. I mean, we had that was, okay, so this was the one we were looking at kind of in April. That didn't really, it kind of played, I made a new high, but now you're getting to that 2-week kind of, that weekly high there, so. But I mean, you needed 2 of those, then he came up even higher, so that would point to 55K, I guess, or let's say 50K if it's like that. So I would say technical is more bullish. Let's see, Binance 4-day, 5-day money flow. It's coming. Are you talking about Bitcoin? Or are you talking about Binance coin? What are you talking about? Let's see here. Money flow is generally coming down, but now it's the VWAP's coming up. This signifies continuation. But you could be right, yeah. I mean, if we do, roll over and the green dot goes away and it confirms and you get a bear div, then yeah, that's when you get bearish. But as of right now, it signifies continuation. Let's see. I could check soy. Looking great, man. I've never seen anything looking so good in my life. Going all in. I'm going all in. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. It's new. It kind of looks like you could have some continuation here. It kind of looks pretty good. I don't know where it's going to go, though. 87 cents maybe, that high right there. I mean, you got a high right there, 77. Could go all the way back to $1. Who knows? Soy. Oh, you're talking about BNB. Okay. Well, BNB, everybody, BNB is like, let's see the 4-day there. I mean, it doesn't look, it's generally coming up on the 4-day. It doesn't look that bad. That's not too good, but your VWAP's coming up. I mean, you gotta look at it, the whole thing. I mean, no, it's not looking too bad, man. BNB is looking like it could keep going. And it probably will, but I don't know. I mean, I do like the 3-day. I do. One of the trades I'm in involves BNB. If you guys are interested in that, check out the Discord. So I mean, Matt, we could look at a lot of these. I think overall the market still looks like it could continue. And funding rates are nothing crazy. You know, they're just standard funding rates right now. So there's no overall push to along the top just yet. You know what I mean? There's not enough people that have really gone along to really, you know, give a liquidation cascade just yet. That 2-day automatic looks pretty good. So I would lean to the more bullish side. We're in an uptrend, you know, you're getting bumps along the way, but yeah. Let's see. Yeah, there's always a lot of custom strategies. You could definitely look at different stuff, yeah. Let's see. USDT call. That could yeah, that could be your black swan. I kind of don't think it would happen, but we'll see. It's like a Wardy. And this is the ordinals, guys. I don't freaking... Daily bear div, I would be looking at to get the hell out. That's not there yet. So we're... Yeah, there's not... I mean, this signifies continuation. Don't ask me where the hell this is going. I mean, $50 is a big area. It could go to 75 or 100. Who the hell knows? But, yeah. I want to look at... What was it? TI? Yeah, this one was the one we were talking about along in the top on. Or was it? No, it was something. Was it Dow? I think it was Dow. We were talking about along the top. Yeah. And I think that, okay, it hasn't done much since I was talking about along in that top. But, along right there. Daily bear divs would have me more hesitant on a lot of these. But as of right now, I mean, oops. As of right now, Bitcoin ordinals, yeah. I think the ordinals will probably do well along with the NFTs or along with a lot of the other shit for the next 2 years probably. I think the mutants look pretty good. The apes, the Yuga Labs crap, that looks pretty good. And you could probably get the same, you know, returns based on this, wherever the hell this goes, ApeCoin. You know, 10x back to all-time highs. I think you might be able to get that. I don't know though. It may not come back to all-time highs, but usually the big craze of the last bull run does very well in the next bull run. The big craze that just falls to death and everybody loses money on it, that usually does very well. I kind of like ApeCoin. Obviously, it's, you know, it's ApeCoin. Be careful, but if I had to choose between Doge, Shiba, and ApeCoin, Ape all the way. I think there's a lot of potential with Ape. Not saying Doge and Shiba can't continue to do well. They look pretty freaking good here, but yeah, I mean, it is. Yeah, yeah, Sheeb. Oh, Atlantic Core. If you guys weren't familiar, he had a. I mean, don't try this. Yeah, this is a very experienced trader, but he made 20 grand going along on this the other day. It was a trade in the Discord, so yeah. Bitcoin 2 has not been as good as we've hoped. But yeah, that's what you get for messing with Bitcoin 2. But yeah. We're not doing too much on this chart. But yeah. We looked at SUI. Bitcoin 3. You want to create it? Is there actually Peppy 4.0? I know there was Peppy 2. It's kind of... Ooh. Is there Peppy 4? Oh my god, there actually is Peppy 4. Doing good. Doing good. Hi, this is... Was there Peppy 3? Yeah, there's anything you can imagine. There is. It's on MEXC, yeah. My god, there is anything you can imagine. When did this even... This has been out for a while, too. Look at that. E minus 12 for the price. Look at this, guys. E minus 12. We're at 18,090. E minus 12. down 43005 E minus 12. I don't even know what the fuck that means. What's up, Alan? Yeah. Do you guys think Peppy 4 is going to do well? What about Peppy 5? I don't know. When I see stuff like that, it kind of makes me a little bit more bearish. I feel like we got to clean out the market more, get Bitcoin dominance higher, but I don't know. Solana has been lagging a little bit. I think he could have another push up to 75. A little tough to say with this guy. That daily, yeah. I really like the daily. 3 days still strong. I mean, we'll see what happens. So yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, let's look at Cardano. Oh yeah. Looks like it, yeah, that 3 day. I mean, we've been looking at this. Looks pretty good, actually, yeah. Macro looks very good. I mean, that bull div, look at that monthly. Cardano Bitcoin, I'm curious about because obviously, you know, like if it can't outperform Bitcoin, then what's the point? Coming down a little bit. That trigger wave on the weekly is a little worrisome. That could be a fucking issue. Especially if, you know, the theories of Bitcoin having a big correction down to 30 or 20s soon. I mean, then you're probably looking at this crap, which... I don't know if I like that. That's a problem. That's a problem. I mean, the thing too, guys, it has me a little bit like hesitant on buying anything other than Bitcoin right now. This is also a pretty bullish chart. Bitcoin dominance right now is also a pretty bullish chart. I do CryptoBug 7. I do trade on Zoomex. Zoomex is good out of those. Bybit and Bitcoin, you need KYC if you're in a restricted area. So I do trade on FAIRDESK as well, and MEXC. Those are ones that you don't need KYC. All three of those, I believe you don't need a VPN as well. If you guys are interested in those, check out the links down below. Have a pretty good good discounts I negotiated for all those. Zoomex is the newest sponsor I was able to get. They've been pretty good. Made some money with them on Trading Wars. So happy about that. So yeah, Bitcoin dominance kind of looks pretty bullish. That weekly, especially with the green dot, we'll see what happens next. Kind of a, you know, cup and handle type thing. Not cup and handle, rounding bottom. 57 could be next in the card. So a lot of people talk about 60%. It's looking more like that could happen now, especially the 2 week was looking bearish. Now your RSIs are coming back up, so it's looking like you could have more bullish momentum. Now 57% is a pretty big area, so I want to mark this out right there. 57. I want to mark that wick. Where else do I want to mark? I want to mark, yeah, probably want to mark that wick, maybe these wick. I mean, marking down here isn't really. Probably mark that wick and that wick, yeah these wicks. Those wicks I want to get, and then we're yeah, 57 could be. It might be. Yeah, the Palau ID. I've been lazy. Maybe I'll do it. There are other ways to get foreign residency though. By property investment or all that. Let's see. Let me look at HBAR. Yeah, let's see more. I think Binance had a bigger, yeah. You're looking at, let's see, anchors, yeah. Yeah, it looks good, man. Yeah, I mean, a lot of shit looks good. Yeah, this looks really good, actually. Yeah, this looks like it may go up to 9 cents. Yeah, it looks great. I'm not being sarcastic. It actually looks good. I do like H-bar. H-bar is a good one. I do hold some. But yeah. Nice. You signed up to Zoomex. Nice, man. Congrats. You're going to get the $20 bonus probably. XRP got shafted. Yeah, it did. It did. Maybe it'll do better this time. Yeah, altcoins are always going to be a little tricky, man. I mean, there's some that probably may get shafted, continue to get shafted this next bull run. So, yeah. Sold for a small profit. Never sell. Buy and die. I'm just kidding. I mean, for like here, come down. We'll see what happens. It's going to be probably different than this and different than that. It's going to be something probably more gradually coming up. Tommy coin. That could be funny. Tommy NFTs. Oh, we're pumping. We're doing good. We're doing good here. Look at this, guys. We're making money. View up coming up. True wave of the 4, yeah. That area in AVAX is big. AVAX is looking juicy too. Oh, the other thing. Total 3 versus Bitcoin. This is where it gets a little... That ain't the most bullish chart. I was looking at more of a, weekly, not looking too good. So it does look like Bitcoin could outperform a lot of this shit. Still looks like Bitcoin could outperform a lot of this shit. Now, what you could do when Bitcoin dominance looks bullish, when, things looks like, it looks questionable whether ETH and altcoins can outperform Bitcoin, your weekly DCAs could be into Bitcoin rather than ETH and rather than altcoins. Now, that's kind of what I was a little in my DCA this week. I did buy a little bit of Bitcoin, mainly more Bitcoin. I bought some ETH too, some other shit, but it was more Bitcoin just because of how I was looking at these. So yeah, polar bear. Polar bear. But yeah. The other thing that we should look at too is I don't know if this makes too much of a difference, but you could subtract out Tether from this, and we're still fighting. She's fighting. She is fighting hard to keep that level. That level right here. I mean, look at her. Look at her go. Look at her go. Look at her go. Look, isn't she beautiful? Look at this. I don't know what the hell I'm saying, but this is that area, and can we hold this? I don't know. It doesn't look terrible. Your weekly's questionable. 3 days looking good, so it's looking like you could start to kind of, altcoins is tough, man. But maybe give it a week, see what happens. Your weekly DCA could be more. We looked at Sui. We already looked at that. Looked at that shit. Sui. So yeah. 2, 3. But ApeCoin, man, ApeCoin, bullish on ApeCoin. How's Near doing? I can't even... What's going on with this shit? Near is another one I've been talking about that looked good. Near, I don't know what the hell Near does for some reason. I used to know what it does. I forget. But it looks pretty good on the macro, man. Trend reversal right there. I think we could be entering the disbelief phase for a lot of these. So yeah. Where the fuck are my tacos? I'm 2 minutes away. They're coming close with the latest arrival deadline on Uber Eats. I'm going to get a credit. What is up, Crypto Grizzly? Shows at Crypto Grizzly. Haven't seen you in a minute, man. Crypto Grizzly. This market is nuts. You are printing money. You are printing money, Crypto Grizzly. Crypto Grizzly is going to be the biggest YouTuber. You know, he's gonna be wearing more expensive crap that I don't even know the logos to than Richard Hart. What's up, man? How's it been? I'm sure you're pretty happy right now. Everything's been doing well. But yeah. Just don't end up like Tommy. No, I'm joking with you. Richard Hart, can anyone confirm that? Did he actually flee to Moscow, to Russia? That's pretty funny if he actually did. I have no idea what the rumor is he fled to Russia, but I don't know if that's actually real. I don't know what happened to Richard Hart. But I do know that we are coming up a little bit on Bitcoin right now. How is Litecoin keeps? That's another bleeder against Bitcoin. It does still like hold a pretty large market cap, 5 bill, but it's just always fucking bled against Bitcoin. It looks kind of good though, you know. It does look good. I think it'll do what it's always done throughout these cycles. Holy shit, that is. Okay. What the fuck's this wick right here? They gotta clean this up. It is. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, I don't know what the weekly bull div just confirmed while you're still in. That's interesting how that confirmed. That 3-day, yeah. There'll be probably some reaction of this level, just because that was the previous low of May of 22. Yeah. Dow is going crazy. We were looking at Dow earlier. What do you guys think of Robinhood? I feel like it's kind of low at these levels. Like this in PayPal, I feel like are pretty good buys right now for stocks. This in PayPal, because if you could get up to even here, that's 100%. Like it's not a bad. That ain't a bad play on Hood. I feel like. And the Dow Jones, man, old fi. Oils, no. Robinhood is about to go bankrupt. You could be right. I don't know too much about them, but PayPal, man. PayPal could be on for a little recovery. Look at that green hike and ashy with the bull div on the monthly. Now, last bull div on the monthly with the hike and ashy brought us lower by a good 30%. So that didn't play out, 25%. But this one, man, this one may give you a little bit more of what you need. I don't know. I mean, it's a profitable company down a hell of a lot. 83% correction, 8% correction right now. PP. Oh my God. Anybody could have an ETF. Yeah, I don't know about this. We'll see. Was the inverse Kramer is, I mean, how much you'd be down if you bought this in the beginning? You'd be down 12%. Not too much volatility here. Yeah. Kind of looking bullish, though, inverse Kramer. Looking a little bullish there, I feel like. PP. There are trades that go bigger on, yeah, but it's a lot of the same. Yeah, usually I risk $1,000 per trade. I mean, depends who you are. Depends if you're scalping, what you're doing, you know. Dow. Theta. I forgot about Theta. Theta hasn't been as relevant in recent times, which it could be a sleeper hit, you know. Yeah, no, I know what you're looking at, man. Big point, pop pattern. That could fucking rip, yeah. That could rip shit. That could fucking go I'm swearing too much, sorry. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me write this shit down. Hold on. Theta. Pancakes. Yeah, I'm getting tacos. Fuck, I might have to walk down to pick up the tacos, man. This will be the first time the Uber driver was, or Uber Eats guy was unable to find me, unable to locate me. We'll see though. Oh, Theta versus Bitcoin. Ooh. Let's look at that low right there. Hold on a second. Just a moment here. That area is pretty big, yeah. Historically, this area, even where we are right now, is pretty significant. Now, Bitcoin dominance keeps rising, though. Then you're a little bit, you could be in trouble. But yeah, no, it does look good. Theta could be a good sleeper right now. Yes, hello? 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 Give me a second, guys. That didn't work. It just kept breaking up. It was some bad signal or something here. Give me a second, guys. I have to go in the room where there's a better signal, I guess. Well, that didn't look. It seemed like it worked. Ah, man. Freaking front desk. They're I mean, if that happens, I'll be pretty pissed. I'm pretty hungry right now. Oh man. I asked the guy. I mean, I think they'd probably let him through. They're not. I mean, I try to answer the goddamn thing. Why don't they call me back? I mean, there's some issue. I don't. It sucks. They're probably cold by now. Such bullshit, man. Cool. What the f... Oh. Okay. Why the market cipher discount code did not work? Oh shoot. You could use the discount code, my link with whatever oh, my tacos here, or whatever the promo Crypto Face is doing right now, whatever code he's doing. If you use my link, I believe I'll get credit for it. I gotta figure that out. What's going on with that? But yeah, I'm gonna eat my tacos real quick, and I'll see you, Nightshade, and I'll be back, guys. Or I could bring the tacos here. I'll see in a second. Oh, man. Okay. We got our tacos, and what's this? That's our sauces. Okay. Now, put this like this, and maybe I'll mute it. Taco review time. Yes, review it. Taco review. Oh man, they give me a lot of sauces here. Oh my god, we got 6 sauces. That's quite a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. Usually they don't give you that many sauces. There's napkins here. And even with all this equipment, we'll probably still making a mess. Hopefully not, but okay, preliminary view of these. Looking pretty good. Okay. And we're gonna take our first bite. No sauces yet. Yeah, it's pretty good. Swing long entries. There's quite a few for some of the altcoins. I mean, Bitcoin too, even. But yeah, maybe I should mute the thing. But these tacos are pretty good, guys. Oh, I gotta show the tacos. Okay. There we go. El Pastor. Let's see, 1 to 10 for these. I'll give them a solid. These are solid like 8.5. Maybe even a 9. Depends, how strict you are with your ratings, your reviews, and all that. So they're pretty damn good. Well, we gotta try the sauces. We got quite a few sauces here. Got 4 tacos here. 4 al pastor tacos. This sauce is pretty good. I don't know what this is. It's pretty good. And you just open the other sauces and dip them in. See the spicy sauces. Here's second sauce. This one looks more of a spicy blend. I'll try that. We dip this in. So mild spice, mild to medium spiciness. Pretty good. It's pretty good, yeah. Another. We'll try this spicy. This is what clears out your sinuses. Some of these ones are pretty spicy too. Some of these, I'm gonna try this one. And try this one right here. Not as spicy as the last one. Yeah, they're Al Pastor tacos with pineapple. Pineapple tacos are good. And yeah, so now let's open we got 3 more sauces to go. A lot of freaking sauces, man. Usually they don't give you that many. Not complaining though. Let's see here. Not bad, not bad. It's pretty good too. I feel like me as a food critic would be, because I'm not that, like, I like a lot of stuff. Like, I would give most things pretty good reviews. Okay, we got 2 more sauces to go. Got 2 more to go. I believe we already had the spiciest one. The spiciest one I like. You know, sometimes it depends on the mood. Sometimes you're more in a spicy type of mood. 8 a.m. exam, oh man. I'll see you, Crypto Grizzly. Good luck with that. I'm gonna do well. Oh my god, I'm trying to open this fork. There we go. And yeah. Let's dip this one in there. This one looks like it could be so spicy. This sauce is interesting right here. Yeah, very interesting sauce. A little spicy. Oh, that one's, yeah. That could have been the spiciest sauce. Oh man, this one's really runny, this sauce. I'm gonna put this one in a special place. Oh, that one's spicy too, I think. Ooh. Oh man. Get a little bit of water. That one was spicy. Oh man. Let's try this next one. These are some good tacos, guys. Now, we have one more taco to go, and then we'll get back to the trade and all that. And yep. I'm very impressed with these so far. Very impressed with these tacos and sauces for the most part. are these tacos? Oh man. $20-something for all this. Plus tip. Almost done. Okay, that, and then yeah. Let me throw this away. Just do that. Take that to the other room. Be done with this. Great meal though. The solid yeah, solid 8.5 if not a 9. Like a very good. Where would I get? I can't. Let's listen to the information. I'd have to actually look on the app. I'm trying to remember the name of the place. I'll be right back. Some coconut water. That meal really hit the spot. Still hungry though, but you know, a big eater, young man, grown boy. But yeah. Oh man, let's see. Let's take a look. See. What's going on there now? Got our hidden bowl div confirmed to 30, and the video coming up on the hourly. Trigger wave on the 4. I like that. I do like that. EMAs still within the EMAs, so we're still I spread the word in the tacos. Maybe I could say. Let me see. Let me find out. Denver steak medium rare. Yeah. It was from, let's see here, El Señor de los Tacos in Wynwood, Miami. Yeah, I would definitely recommend it. Some great tacos. And most of the tacos in Miami are pretty good. I like, I like a lot of food. If I was reviewing food at most places, would get pretty good reviews from me. We already looked at Sui. We can look at Sushi Swap. Any amount of super chat, I always will look at it something again, but we already looked at Sui. Never for a change. Street tacos in Mexico are usually pretty good, yeah. Oh, I've had some good ones in Mexico. They are very good. I miss Mexico. Let's see here. Big place, but if we could hold this, yeah. Big place. Let me just see if there's more data in some of those. Probably on Binance beforehand. Yeah. Yeah, that fib level too. But if we could hold that, man, sushi's fighting back. Right down 98%, and then yeah, what do you know? Coming all the way back. June 23, geez, 98%. I don't know. But yeah. Tacos are good, man. Tacos are good food. I could really go for some bread and butter right now. That's something I have. That's a good. That helps you sleep. You know, carbs help you sleep. You listen to have the carbs. Listen to some positive affirmations, some spiritual shit before you go to bed. You know, that helps. Calms the mind and the body. Yeah. Oh, garlic. Oh, yeah. Garlic bread. Stick 'em out potatoes. Yeah, cornbread. Yeah, I haven't had cornbread in a minute. Yeah. Trigger wave to the upside. Yeah. Litecoin looks pretty good. Litecoin looks good. Keeps leaning against Bitcoin though, but you know, yeah, different in some ways here. Just want to see something. Like from here to there, how long did it take? From there to that'd be a start of the run in mid 24. Be indicative of some more consolidation. But yeah, I mean, look, it's a more boring market. Not too much to talk about right now. We may come down a bit, like some people have been saying. That 15-minute does look pretty bearish. I don't know if I'd be going short just yet, but we have to see here. And this trade I was having a little bit of fun with this, but I have some other swing trades that are really good in the Aldo Empire VIP Discord. Link down below. We got a lot of great analysts in there. One of the best communities, if not the best. If I do say so myself, trading communities out there. I've been at this for, many years now. So yeah, it's been a fun time. Check it out if you guys are interested. And also there is the links down below. People have been asking about, where do I trade? FAIRDESK is good. All the three down below are very good, especially if you don't want to use a VPN. Check them out. My link down below if you guys are interested. All those promos are exclusive of my link only. You got a really good shot of getting the $100 bonus on FAIRDESK. Also, for the first 100 people on Zoomex, $20 bonus. And MEXC, we're doing a trading competition and 0 limit fees in my link. So check them all out down below. Get it while it's hot. Exchanges are being generous because, crypto's doing well. Hopefully they last, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully this lasts. Yeah. I mean, that's what I'm thinking of cool about the shorts. I just don't see enough of a reason. I mean, funding fees are nothing crazy. I don't think there's enough people going long yet. Now, there could be a lot of people that go long at 43, which could be a good place where a lot of people will long the top. Other than that, you could hit 45 here, bro. Like, you could, especially on that 3-day, you could keep coming up, man. It's wild, but you could keep going. I mean, it's a wild thing. Beautiful thing, but it's wild. ETH versus Bitcoin, as we've, because this is the big one that we want to freaking, know what's going to, are we bottoming out here? Are we going to have 6 more months of winter or whatever? I don't know. It doesn't look too good on the high time frames, especially the weekly. You may need to wait for a weekly bull div. Now, how much lower could you go against Bitcoin? It may only be a little bit more. It could also drop down to, play out of this pattern and drop down a lot. Now, I would imagine we'd probably see a decent pullback for the whole market if it does crash another, what is this, like 30% against Bitcoin? But it's possible. I mean, it's absolutely possible here. The daily's not the best thing, but we'll keep our eye on this. We'll keep our eye on this. So yeah. Theta looks good though. What was that other small cap? I mean, this was the other one we've been looking at a little bit. It's on KuCoin now. There's certain ones that kind of, I mean, they just bled so much. Maybe there's nowhere to go but up. Due for a pullback. Yeah, I mean, alts that are up 900%. I mean, those could pull back while Bitcoin keeps going up. I mean, that's, it's not, and some of those have a mind of their own. I mean, depends what alts you're looking at. I mean, Bitcoin 2's been pulling back while Bitcoin 1's been going up. I mean, but yeah. $45K and retest 30. That would be nice, man. I would hope for that. I mean, what kind of correction is that? Let's see. 45 or let's see. All right, let's just do it from 45K. Right there down to what was it? 32, not 12. 29's right there. 32, 30%. That'd be nice. Hopefully. That would be the point to get the hell into alts if we come back to 30, because they would probably, I see what you're thinking. Yeah, that might be able to bring Bitcoin ETH down another 30% against Bitcoin, maybe. I don't know okay, so Bitcoin, let's say Bitcoin corrects 30%. What's 30% more of 30%? Is that 40 or no? 30%, that's 40%, I believe. Yeah, I believe. Unless I'm missing something. Yeah, I think it's 40%. So if ETH corrects 40% from God knows where, I mean, let's say 40% from here, maybe. 40% is a big freaking drop for ETH. Yeah, it's probably not going to go down that. 14, Jesus. Yeah, it's a big drop. I don't know. Yeah, that is true. Very true. I mean, I've been starting to DC into alts. Today, I bought more Bitcoin than alts just because Bitcoin dominance looks so bullish, but we'll see. Might have to buy some Theta. A little bit of Theta after this, because Theta looks pretty good. But, yeah. Anyway, guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up. If you guys are interested in trading, check out FAIRDESK down below. Really good exchange. MEXC and Zoomex are great as well. All great promos. I negotiated for you guys. Check them out. Get it while it's hot. And also, check out the Discord down below. Link down below. So check those things out. Really appreciate you guys. We're going to have a lot of fun together. I think it's a good time continue to be a good next 2 years for crypto. So, goodbye, guys.